What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Steve, Putnwork Steve, back with another video, and this right here is a review on a Babyliss Fx3s, man. Check this out. Check it out. Tell me what you think. Look at it. Look at it. This, man. Look at this. Now, for a while, I'm gonna tell y'all this. For a while, I had clippers that had the wires in there, but look, it's time for me to go, wireless, man. I'm going wireless. I'm going wireless. Mom, I'm going wireless. Y'all ready for it? I'm going to do a review on it. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Ha! So first thing, take this thing out. Hold on. Wait a minute. I got it. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. I like how they got the little Ferrari horse right there, you feel me? I don't know if y'all can probably see it. I'm trying to make it good. But these are the Fx3 professional high trimmers. Let me see. Take them out, man. Look at this, man. Look at this. It's very light. Just holding them. Very, very light. Yo, like, I'm so hyped. Look at it. Look at this. I'm gonna try these out first, just fresh out the box. See how well they go. Just trying them. Oh my! Yo, do you hear that? Yo, it was like the Matrix. Look, hold on, watch. Listen, watch. Yo, did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that? Hold on, I gotta kiss you. What's up? I gotta kiss you one time, man. The blade does seem a lot wider, but yo, like, look, if y'all can see this, maybe I'm tripping. Look at this. Oh, it's so fast. Let's see what else it comes with. Pretty sure it comes with like a wire. It got a little bit of like other stuff right here, and like oils and stuff like that. Also comes with a charger, instructions. But look, we're gonna get to the bathroom. We're gonna try this out. I'm gonna line myself up, even though I did line myself up, but maybe I can probably need a little touch up. And we're gonna use it fresh out the box. Let's go. Let's get to the bathroom, man. So let's take a brush, doesn't matter what type of brush you use, and brush down the edges of your hair. You see what I'm doing? Taking a nice strokes, because when you're shaping yourself up, you want to get the little hairs. You don't want the hair sticking up. Got to be. It's glue, man. It's really, really good use. A lot of us barbers use different other types of sprays, but I'm just using this. Like I said, I'm trying this Fx3s out, man. Babyliss Fx3s. But I like to lay the hair down, make sure the hair sticks. So I like to take the spray. Spray doesn't cost so much, about like $6 to $8. Then afterwards, I want to dry the spray off by using a blow dryer. Doesn't matter what type of blow dryer you use, but use it so that way you can dry it out. So when it's time for you to shape yourself up, it's easy for you. Alright, now it's time to dig in, man. Now this is the time where we get a chance to see how these really work, how the Babyliss Fx3s really work, man. These trimmers, man. Hopefully they give me a crispy line. So we starting off with the sides, starting off right there. Also, please make sure you hold that clipper 90-degree angle, alright, because some of y'all be having your hairline looking effed up. And if some of y'all probably thinking that my hairline look effed up, alright, just leave me a comment. Maybe I'll probably grow my hair out, or maybe, I don't know, I'll probably show something, I don't know. Yeah, everybody always want to leave comments on something, so if you feel like something I need to change, just leave a comment, man. Now, earlier when I said, it's wireless, so you cannot beat that. Like when I tell you, me taking a clipper, going around the edges, shaping myself up, yo, like when you have them wires, they get tangled everywhere, getting tangled where your legs is, getting tangled, you gotta move the wire around, probably almost wrapped around your client's neck, or if you're shaping yourself up, might wrap around your neck. Yo, these things are super light. These things are great. So I have to give that, you know, a 10 because it's easy. Like, don't get me wrong now. It's nothing wrong with having something a little heavy so that way you can have something like to grip on, you know, shape yourself up with or shape somebody else with. But like, these things are super light. Plus on top of that, the blade moves super fast, man, and it's like real wide out. I like how the fact that it's real sharp. Like, yo, when I tell you they were sharp, they were sharp. Like, I almost thought I cut myself. That's how sharp they was, and that's how fast they are. I love them, man. Like, I honestly can tell y'all this. Like, all these reactions that I give y'all is all real. Like, this is my first time using this too, man. Like, going along with the beard. Also, it was great because it got actually like my beard really sharp. If you look at the lines, it was really sharp. Like, watch this. Watch this. They was really sharp. Look, and when you're doing these strokes, you know, for the beginners, make sure you take the nice, small, little strokes and go along the lines, man. It's like, you know, connecting dots. Remember, like, you know, back in like preschool or like first grade, and you're doing those little drawings and they had like the dots you're connecting. Well, just think of imaginary dots right there on your face, and all you're doing is connecting them together and lining everything up. Because mind you, everything connects. Everything is going to line up. Everything is going to work. It takes time. To have this skill to cutting hair, it takes time. You know, having, you know, this skill for me, it didn't happen overnight. But yo, these clippers right here, I love them so far. I love how the fact that it's going on with the beard. I love how the fact that, you know, you just don't really have to go all hard on the clippers. Let the clippers do their work, man. And that's for my beginners. But for anybody that's a new barber or like that's already a barber and looking to get these clippers, yo, if you don't have these clippers yet, I'm going to tell you, get them right now. You can get them at Sally's. You can get them at Cosmo like Pro. You can get them at any other store. I guarantee probably Amazon might have them. People might probably like overprice. But yo, like these right here for me, they're kind of cheap. You know, plus it was a birthday gift to me. So I'm telling you this right now. It was amazing, man. It was amazing. Like, I was so happy. This was the best birthday gift ever.
Man, I don't even know. I don't know what to tell y'all, man. Like, this clipper right here is good. I took it out the box. The FX3s. I got this for my birthday, actually. It was a birthday gift to myself. But man, like, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Like, this clipper right here is amazing. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This clipper is amazing right here. I'm gonna start using some more of my clients right here. I don't even want to call this like the FX3s. I want to call this like the Iron Man or something, a transformer. Look, like look on this mother turn. Watch. Listen. Yo, just the way how I come on. Babyliss, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna look to get some more products because I need to go wireless. Every single clipper, like I said, I got has wire on there, and I'm just trying to up my stuff, up all my equipment, man. And look, I'm just so glad of the fact that now I got my first wireless trimmer, man. Some of y'all might be in the comment section like, yo, like, Steve, what the heck was you doing? What took me so long? Look, I'm not poor, but I'm not rich. I'm just trying to make it, but I'm finally making it. So I appreciate y'all for the supporting me 100%, and I'm just telling y'all, man, I actually do like this trimmer right here, man. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. Putnwork Steve, shout out to all the workaholics. If you're new to this channel, go right ahead and subscribe. Love every last one of y'all. Thank you so much. Peace.